Hello, Adina. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very well. So, Adina, talking about the course, Fundamentals of Consciousness Evolution, how would you describe the course?
First and foremost, it was the very first step for a person who feels dissatisfied by the old, outdated belief systems. Secondly, the best mean for those who want to organize their conscienciological knowledge. The last but not the least, a great opportunity for mental somatic debates.
What did the course mean to you?
Any conscienciological course, and especially the fundamentals of consciousness evolution, bring with them a period of recycling. While I was involved in the conscienciological thought of this course, I read, learned, researched, reckoned, and consequently experienced more than usual. Week by week, I felt how my energetic works and parapsychic experiences were becoming richer and richer. The course also gave me the chance to meet great instructors with huge knowledge, practice experience, and very gifted in teaching.
Oh, you're very kind. Thank you so much. Another question would be, how did it help you?
Well, however, the course helps me to revise my knowledge and to reach my knowledge and my experiences, my parapsychic experiences.
Very good. The last question then, why would you recommend it?
For all the reasons I mentioned before, and for thousands others any participant could identify, I recommend the fundamentals of consciousness evolution to any person who wants to learn about consciousness, energy, multidimensionality, holosomaticity, multi-existentiality. And I recommend them to apply in this matter the principle of disbelief. Don't believe me. Participate in the course of fundamentals and have your own experiences.
Very important principle. Thank you
Indeed.
so much, Adina, for participating.
Thank you too.